Hey, I'm Aaron, and this burr puzzle has so many tails. Dovetails. Today we'll be taking a closer look at dovetail burr. Okay, so here we have dovetail burr. This puzzle is a level 6 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale, ranging from 5 to 10, and it was designed and created by Oscar van Deventer. Now Oscar does a lot of 3D printing, and this is 3D printed actually. It's quite amazing. He uses this 3D printing filament that has wood particulate in it. And it comes out with this very cool, like, false wood finish. But you can still see that there's 3D printing lines and all that. But everything is very well constructed. He has his 3D printing down to an art, for sure. We have 3-toned look to it, which is quite nice as well. I like that black and white and brown wood and all the different dovetails all over the place. Very nice look. This puzzle is a burr puzzle, so you'll be disassembling and reassembling it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.